Okay, welcome to spring. I'll show you the UAV. It's 13 degrees Celsius. Welcome to spring for the Fimi X8Mini. Okay, so this is 1080p 30. It's my control format. And I could start the motors and go up, but I'm just going to wait. We're at 9. Okay, and I get a really good video feed on this compared to the Hubsan ones. Okay, and the controller, it's the accordion style. It's really good. Just be careful not to push the video button on the left. And ready to go, it says. So we have 11. So let's take it up. Let's see what happens. Do we have any wanderings? It should be about there. Okay, let's start that video. There we go. So let's go that way a bit and up. We have to watch the height. 10, 11, 12, 13. Bring that camera down a bit. There we go. A bit more. And we're up to 20, 30. Turn around and head out. And go forward. There we go. Heading out towards that little lake over there. Bring the camera down. There it goes. The little lake. We're about 250. And we're going to look at the trees in the distance. We turn around and come home. Horizon's pretty good. Fimi X8Mini. Okay, here we go, coming home. Here we go. First flight of the spring. Let's see what it's like. Bring it down a bit. There we go. Okay. Here we go. And we'll stop that video. And down we come. Stop that video. And there you have it, the Fimi X8 Mini, first flight of the spring. I got two great Fimis, X8 SE and the Mini. See you next time.